Hey guys, OPPO planning to launch OPPO Find X7 series very soon, who is expected to launch the first quarter of 2024. And today OPPO Find X7 Pro hands-on image are leaked. Look at the camera bump, it's huge big. The OPPO Find X7 Pro come with lot of changes compared to the OPPO Find X6 Pro. Yes, OPPO Find X7 Pro to be world first smartphone with dual periscope telephoto cameras. OPPO Find X7 Pro featuring a quad camera setup in the back. Using a 50 megapixel Sony Lite 901-inch sensor has a main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX 890, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom who is Sony IMX 858, then another 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.7x who is Sony IMX 890. All the camera aspects are recently leaked and confirmed. Another big change is OPPO Find X7 series will be support satellite communication connectivity. Of course, the phone comes with very high quality curved display with the LTPO 120Hz refresh rate. The OPPO Find X7 Pro will be featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. On the other hand, the regular Find X7 is come with Dimensity 9300 SoC and the Antutu score are already leaked. Rumor also say that the Find X7 series will be announced before the 2024 in China market. So that's all about the OPPO Find X7 series. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.